Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2026 Go Reading Workshop Series. Now we're going to be doing a whole bunch of problems involving reading for the Foundations of Reading and Reading Specialist exams. I want you to use these videos to make this a game, have fun, and get better to pass these exams. Let's just jump right in with our first set of problems. Let's go. Okay, team, this is one of the continuation questions for that last slide where we're giving those prompts where the student has to read nonsense words, and we look at their pronunciation and we look to see if there's any errors. We noticed that when they were given these nonsense words and they were given this phonics assessment, the students struggled with the phonics pattern here. These are all single syllable FTCE words, right? Or silent E words, meaning the vowels should be long and the E should be silent. So sometimes we say silent E syllable words or magic E words, right? In this case, they did not do that. They did short O instead of long O. They added an E at the end when it should have been silent. So this student definitely here, just by looking at the first two, needs to review magic E or silent E or FTCE words, right? And then we're given a question like this. So if you haven't already, I want you to pause the video and I want you to read it to yourself. Just pause it right now and read it. Okay, unpause it. So let's read the question together. And I'm going to read it because it's from a reading specialist test. I'm going to read it in a very formal voice. According to the assessment evidence provided, the student would benefit most from being grouped with other students who need targeted, explicit instruction in reading and spelling. Which of the following types of words? Did I read that right? That's a little awkward, isn't it? Anyways, doesn't matter. Basically, they're saying, what are they going to need help with, right? Okay. Well, we said they definitely going to need help with this one right here, right? Silent E or magic E. Is there anyone with that? First one. Single syllable words with silent E, right? Isn't that exactly what we just reviewed? In the previous question, we just talked about silent E single syllable words, right? Why is it not the others? Well, if we look at the previous assessment, the one that looked like this, which we marked up, right? None of these words, even though there are vowel diagraphs here, none of these words are more than one syllable. They're all the stimuli are single syllable words. Do you see that? So they're not going to need help with multi-syllable words. So we could cross out that option right away because these are all based off the assessment from the previous problem. They're all single syllable words, right? So B and C would be out because we're not going to give them words that are multi-syllable. We're just trying to help them with single syllable words. And they're going to not need help with single syllable words with short vowel. That's not the issue here. Their issue is single syllable words with silent E where there's going to be a long vowel. Okay, so this has got a lot of good practice here, team, all right? All right, use this to help you get better at this stuff, all right? All right, team, I hope you're enjoying this. We're getting a little bit deeper into these problems. If you are, give this a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, check out a GOHacademy workshop. Go to GOHacademy at www.GOHacademy.com and you'll see all the classes, okay? Okay, team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Everyone have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend. Maybe check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. You can see all our live classes that are coming up. You know, one nice thing about the live classes is we cover the material in real time, and then you're able to go back and you're able to study it and listen to it again. So I encourage you, if you need extra help, check out a workshop. You know, I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. All right, team, everyone have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.